Hello everyone, welcome back to My Tiles YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about brick wall cladding. Whenever we talk about bricks, there are two major options that shows up. First are the ceramic vitrified brick cladding tiles. These are digitally printed tiles that can be used on corridors, balconies, or even exteriors of your home. The other kind are these. These are called brick-sized individual tiles that measures 2.5 by 10 inches. They are typically much thicker than the tiles. This is 12 mm. You might have seen these at your favorite cafe or your favorite movie for sure. Please note that brick cladding, being such a rustic and handcrafted material, stocks for most of the designs are limited. You'll also find brick cladding veneers and wallpapers, but none of them will deliver the real feel of exposed brick. Brick cladding can be either clay or culture bricks. Culture brick cladding is made of pigmented cement mix, which is also called as concrete. It is then poured into the molds. When you have to seal the corners, say a column or a free edge, the edges have a consistent finish. The second option is clay brick cladding. This is pure clay that is baked and fired. The outer finish that you see, the unevenness, the faint distressing, the darkened blotches, these are spontaneous results from the process. The color of brick cladding plays such an important role in evoking the right vibe, and that is the real cheat code to get the distinguished effect. Red brick cladding. Hues of red, including terracotta, auburn, and sharp carmines, make brick cladding a true delight. These red tones add a dash of vibrancy to your interiors. You can pair it with white or grey grout lines to bring a mesmerizing touch to your spaces. White brick cladding. White brick cladding is such a modern, innovative flair to it. The crisp white tones are complemented by an assortment of colors. Burn effect brick cladding. Browns and grey accents develop very naturally as a part of the baking process. This is called a burn effect. Brick cladding can be used in cafes, restaurants, gyms, exteriors, balconies, and even lobbies of commercial spaces. In terms of indoor use, you'll see them in living spaces. This includes your dining space, indoor lounge, TV units. My Tiles has some top-notch creative ways to utilize brick cladding on their inspiration gallery. The installation process is labor intensive. Each brick must be laid with precision and the edges must be sealed properly. Brick cladding is always installed on a rough, plastered wall. There should be no paint, no putty, no similar materials. Make it rough. This ensures maximum gripping. Typically, 7-star adhesive is recommended for concrete wall. The grout line can vary between 8 to 10 mm. You'll find these 8 to 10 mm spacers that are exclusively used for brick cladding. Based on the grout width, the quantity of bricks required will vary. For grout material, grey or white tile adhesives are used. Masking tape is carefully laid on each brick and the gap is sealed. This prevents staining, discoloration, or any changes in the color resulting from spillage. Maintenance of brick cladding. Keep it simple. Dust off the excess debris with a soft cloth. Wipe as and when needed. You can even use a vacuum. Rest assured, if installed properly, then the maintenance is very minimal in nature. Now you must be thinking how much brick cladding must cost. The average brick cladding cost is Rs 150 to 200 per square feet. Rates may vary based on your choice of design. Explore our wide range of brick cladding collections at www.mytiles.com. That might be a wrap for today's episode, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such style information, and do tap on that bell icon so you don't miss out any updates.